Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain the STG-DDL part of Powerpack with Python. STG-DDL is part of the source to BI data lake roadmap of Python. The STG-DDL is generating the DDL for the staging area. The staging area is part of the whole data warehouse, and in this staging area, tables will be implemented. So in this part, STG-DDL, we're gonna generate the create table scripts for the staging area. I'm gonna show you that in a demo. Okay, we're now in the VMware environment, and if we want to start this one, we can say we're starting a Python script. So we're starting Python in the home directory of Powerpack, the stage subdirectory. We're starting the STG_DDL, the STG-DDL.Python script with the parameters geo, that's the source cluster, the source where's coming the data from, and we want to implement all the tables. So we're giving the wildcard percentage with it. If I'm starting the script, he's showing the information and he has generated the DDL. For the database, PostgreSQL, but it can also be Oracle, Snowflake, SQLServer, or another database. He's connecting to the data warehouse database and he's showing that he is going to start the STG-DDL.Python script with the parameters source cluster is geo, source table is wildcard, and the stage table space is empty, so no table space will be implemented. He's showing the template directory and he's showing the DDL target directory, so where he is placing the Python scripts to implement the tables. We have specified the wildcard, so that means all the tables will be generated. For example, branch, country, and region. For each table, he's showing the table template, he's showing the table which will be implemented with this script, and he's showing the output file created, which is implementing this table. So he's generating a Python script to implement the DDL. Those output files are placed in the working directory. So if we are in the working directory, this is the working directory for this project. If you go to the staging area, you can see here the DDL scripts which he has generated. For example, for branch, and if I open this with Notepad, you can see that he has generated a Python script, and the Python script is implementing the table STG geo branch in the user which is specified. Okay. What he's also doing, he's generating a DDL top_stage_geo, and with this script you can implement all the tables at one time. Okay. This is done for all the tables, but if you say, I do not want to have all the tables, but I only want to generate one table, you can specify the table here. He's doing the same thing, showing the parameters. He's now selecting only one table and is generating the Python scripts to implement this table. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you back in one of the next videos of Powerpack with Python. Thank you for watching.